Well, well, well. What an interesting spin the world took in 2023. Remember when we all thought the biggest news of the year would be those high-interest savings accounts from My Savings Direct? Ah, the sweet allure of a 4.35% APY. But alas, it was not the money-making magic we hoped for. Turns out, they had as much physical presence as my New Year's resolution to hit the gym, non-existent. In other financial news, Bill Trim became the hero we never knew we needed. For the mere price of $99, they promised to save us from the dreaded task of bill negotiation. But oh, the irony! Some users reported duplicate charges. It seems even our bill-saving superheroes couldn't resist the siren call of capitalism. Now, back to our financial roller coaster. Emigrant Bank, the parent of My Savings Direct, found itself in a bit of a pickle. They violated sanctions and had to settle a case with the U.S. Treasury Department. It's like a soap opera, but with banks. Now let's shift gears and talk about societal harmony. In 2023, the Baha'i community showed us all how it's done. They held events and discussions promoting unity, diversity, and racial justice. Apparently, their secret weapon was the involvement of both women and men working towards equality. Groundbreaking, isn't it? Who knew that when everyone is treated equally, harmony follows? It's almost as if centuries of social science were onto something. In the end, 2023 was a year of highs and lows, of savings and sanctions, of unity and diversity. It was a year that reminded us that even in the midst of chaos, we can find harmony, and even in the midst of financial turmoil, we can find humor. Here's to hoping 2024 brings us more of the latter. Keep watching, like and subscribe to C-Star Digital Network. Thank you.